Hey there, welcome back to our channel. In today's episode of Canada Immigration News, we have some exciting updates to share with you. So grab a cup of coffee and let's dive right in. First up, we have some important news regarding biometrics for Canadian PR applicants. Starting from June 14, 2023, a recent update from Immigration, Refugees, and Citizenship Canada, IRCC, states that all applicants for Canadian permanent residency will be required to provide biometrics regardless of any previous submissions. Biometrics, which include fingerprints and a photograph, are essential for establishing and confirming the identity of individuals. This measure aims to enhance the safety and security of immigrants by preventing identity theft and fraudulent activities. So, if you're planning to apply for Canadian PR, make sure to stay informed about these changes and comply with the new requirements. Next, let's talk about the exciting updates in Canada's Express Entry system. Canada's flagship immigration selection system will introduce new occupation-based draws this summer, targeting 82 occupations in 5 fields. This development aims to make Express Entry more responsive to the country's labor market needs. The occupations in the following fields will be specifically targeted: healthcare, science, technology, engineering, and mathematics, STEM professions, trades such as carpenters, plumbers, and contractors, transport, and agriculture and agri-food. Candidates who have accumulated at least 6 months of continuous work experience within the past 3 years, either in Canada or abroad, in one of the individual occupations will be eligible to apply. You can find a full list of the targeted occupations on our website. The decision to introduce occupation-specific draws in Express Entry was made following changes to the Immigration, Refugee and Protection Act in June last year. This change allows invitations based on occupations and other attributes, such as language ability. Many provinces in Canada have been issuing occupation-specific invitations for several years. It's important to note that the occupations targeted this year may expand further as shortages are identified. The Immigration Minister is required to consult various stakeholders, including provinces, industry members, unions, employers, worker advocacy groups, settlement provider organizations, and immigration researchers before announcing new categories. Lastly, let's dive deeper into the update on Francophone immigration in Canada. The government has passed a new law, Bill C-13, highlighting the significance of the French language and prioritizing Francophone immigration in minorities outside Quebec. This new law introduces immigration into the Official Languages Act, OLA, for the first time, recognizing the importance of Francophone immigration to Francophone minority communities. The OLA is the federal statute that made English and French the official languages of Canada. The law modernizes the OLA, acknowledging that French as an official language is being threatened and needs protection. Under this law, Immigration, Refugees, and Citizenship Canada, IRCC, are obligated to adopt a Francophone immigration policy with objectives, targets, and indicators. This policy aims to promote and facilitate Francophone immigration and contribute to maintaining or increasing the demographic weight of Francophone minority communities. Furthermore, the law ensures that individuals working in federally regulated private businesses in Quebec or in French minority communities outside of Quebec have the right to work and be served in French. It also mandates that all judges appointed to the Supreme Court of Canada be bilingual, improving access to justice. The government believes that this law will have a positive impact by increasing access to French childcare, education, and healthcare services across Canada, especially in areas where there is a shortage of bilingual workers. IRCC has long recognized the decline in demographic weight of Francophone minority communities. To address this, they launched the Francophone Immigration Strategy in 2019, focusing on promoting and attracting Francophone immigrants, as well as supporting their integration into Canadian society. Some key initiatives under the Francophone Immigration Strategy include allocating additional points for French-speaking and bilingual candidates under Express Entry, creating temporary dedicated streams for essential workers and recent international graduates who are French-speaking or bilingual, and expanding funding to support around 80 Francophone service providers delivering settlement services to French-speaking newcomers outside Quebec. IRCC is actively working on the development of a policy on Francophone immigration, which will include a new and more significant admission target for Francophone immigration outside Quebec. Their goal is to welcome 4.4% of French-speaking admissions to Canada outside Quebec by 2023. These changes not only address labor shortages but also emphasize the importance of supporting French-speaking communities across Canada. Express entry draws will also target candidates with strong French language ability. This move aligns with the government's commitment to the vitality of French-speaking communities and ensuring access to French services. The Employment and Social Development Canada has observed a doubling in the number of occupations facing shortages between 2019 and 2021. Furthermore, from 2018 to 2022, federal high-skilled admissions accounted for a significant portion of overall French-speaking admissions outside Quebec, which manages its own immigration intake. That wraps up today's episode of Canada Immigration News. We hope you found these updates informative and helpful. Remember, if you have any specific concerns or questions regarding your PR application or any immigration-related matter, it's always advisable to seek guidance from an immigration professional or refer to official IRCC resources. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content. Also, make sure to click the notification bell so you never miss an episode. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next episode.